Hey, today we're cooking from Nick DiGiovanni.
Nice drop.
So here's what we're cooking today.
Blueberry Brie grilled cheese.
Here are our ingredients. Sourdough bread.
Unsalted butter.
Brie cheese.
You need to get white cheddar cheese.
Blueberry preservatives.
Normal blueberries.
Also, mayonnaise.
You can't forget that.
Yeah, boy! What you're gonna do is you're gonna put mayonnaise on it and you're gonna spread it.
A few moments later.
And you flip it upside down. The next thing is to take the blueberry preservatives and just spread it on here.
A few moments later.
Now I'm gonna get the cheese ready.
Roll the cheese!
So there's the grated white cheddar.
The cheese tax, the cheese tax.
And some Brie cheese. Last but not least, the blueberries. This is one of the weirdest foods I've ever seen. Definitely ever made.
It's probably gonna be the best food that we ever tasted.
Hey yo. Now what we do is you gotta warm up your non-stick pan. We're using cast iron. After that, we will be cooking our masterpiece. And while we wait for the pan to heat up, we can have a dance party. All right, the pan's pretty heated up, so now you put a couple tablespoons of butter in there. Let it all melt up. All right, when your butter's pretty much melted up, now you put the sandwich in. Squish it down. Now here's a little trick when it comes to grilled cheese, but to help the cheese melt, you want to put a lid on top of it. And I like to have a clear lid so I can actually see down in there. All right, while we wait for the cheese to melt and cook, I want to go ahead and tell you about this book. You can buy this book on TikTok Shop, so you can click down below and purchase yourself this book.
And by the way, the name of the show that he's on is called 100 Cooks. And it's 100 cooks battling each other, and he's one of the judges. Don't forget Terry Crews.
All right, make sure you're keeping an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Ooh, yeah. Grilled blueberries. Oh, man. That's really good.
We keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on.
Here is the delicious grilled cheese. Good job, Lou.
Blueberries.
All right, now we eat.
So good.
That's weird. It's a weird flavor combination, but it worked.
Look how blue the inside is.
So again, if you want a blueberry sandwich, click below in the TikTok Shop and pick yourself up a copy of the book. Cheers.